guys, welcome back to the travel vlogs. We just got to our second location within Greece. We are in Zakynthos. We actually just arrived at our Airbnb, but we're actually gonna head like right out because Preston has some spots he wants to go to. We're gonna be going to the Shipwreck beach and then also Mizithres? Is that how you say it?
Mizithres.
I don't know how to say it, but
Mizithres.
Something like that. But yeah, we're gonna go check this out and then probably grab some dinner. And then I think we're just gonna have like an early night, come back to the Airbnb not too late because we want to try to be up early to actually go back to the same exact spots to see them in the like morning sun. So let's go do that. This looks absolutely insane.
Wow.
The color is just so vibrant and incredible. Doesn't this place remind you of Calypso Beach in Bali?
It does. It has like that big ridge that pokes out right there.
Yeah, they're very similar.
Some beautiful water. It's just the difference is the white rock.
Yeah, the white is very, very different, and it's a lot bigger.
That water though. Like,
also, the ship just looks so cool there. All right, we just made it to our next viewpoint. It is insane looking.
Absolutely.
We literally both just like peered over this cliffside and we're like, holy shit, this is insane. Let me show you. The color of this water is insane. It is insane how like white that rock is compared to that blue water. It looks unreal. Also, this is what we're peering over right now. Sorry to my mother, she would not like that, but this is pretty insane. It is the next day. I did have a bit of a struggle getting up this morning, but we went and got a cappuccino, some pastries. Now I'm feeling much, much better. We came back to the Shipwreck beach. Preston actually has his drone out. It's like right above me if you can hear it. But yeah, we came back over here and I cannot tell you guys enough. Like I know we say this in like pretty much every vlog, but if you like to go out and adventure and see sightseeing spots or just nature, hiking, anything like that, go early in the morning. Like, I cannot with this. I don't know if you can see me or not, but like I was saying, we came here yesterday, and there was probably like, not even like that crazy of a number in comparison to like places like Bali or anything like that, but there was probably like 30, 40 people out here at this spot, and now, today, it's 8 a.m. on the dot, and there are 0 people out here. We have this whole place to ourselves. We can get as many pictures as we want. Preston can drone without like bothering anyone. Not that it's like really a bother, but you know, just we try to be courteous and like not be crazy camera people. But if you come at times like this, like the lighting is just so much better for one, but two, like the no people just makes such a difference when you're trying to like get pictures and there's people in the background. Like that's never fun. But yeah, I think we're going to hang out here for a little bit because Preston wants to see the sunrise a little bit higher. And then we're going to go back to the other lookout that we went to. And then I think our boat tour is around like 3, so we'll probably grab some lunch or something in between there. But yeah, we're going to have a really fun day. We'll probably put some drone footage in here somewhere, so enjoy that. Getting some drone shots.
Yup. Some drone shots.
This place is pretty gnarly.
It is crazy.
I really like how it looks right now.
Yeah, I know, it does look cool.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, and it worked when I turned it back. We're good, she's not broken.
That looks really, really good right now. It almost makes the water look like even bluer, I feel.
Does it?
Don't you think? Like, that's like crisp.
No, yeah,
Also, that yacht down there is insane. It's hard to tell, but there's literally a helicopter on that yacht. That's how you know you're rich. All right, we just drove about an hour and a half back over to Mizithres again. There are some people here now because it's about like 10 a.m. So people are coming out, but we hiked up to a little bit of a higher viewpoint that we went to yesterday, and there's no one around here, and this viewpoint is actually way better, and it's literally like 2 minutes uphill, so not that bad. This looks absolutely insane though in the morning light. I think it might even look better. We got drone going up again. Y'all, this kid is literally on the edge of a cliff right now. Like, please.
Looks insane though. It looks insane.
Oh my god, please be careful. Like, I wish I knew how tall this was so I could give you guys a better example, but we are literally hanging off a cliff right now. Ridiculous. We're heading down to this little viewpoint bar right here, and we just cannot believe how massive this flag is. Like, I don't even think you can tell on camera how big it really is. I might look up like how large that is and put it on the screen because it is literally enormous. I mean, you can see like those houses right there, or whatever those are, buildings, like just look tiny compared to that thing.
Where the hell are we right now? This place is insane. By far the best water that we've ever seen, honestly.
This is insane. Like, how is this even real right here? The water reflects so nicely off the white rock, too. Oh, there goes the little kayakers.
Doing a kayak out here would be so cool.
That would be
The
insane.
water is like nice and calm, so it wouldn't really move you around.
Yeah.
I mean, this water is calmer than Lake Club.
I don't think I filmed anything yesterday after the boat, but we ended up just grabbing dinner, going back to the Airbnb. I edited and uploaded a vlog because I have been majorly slacking. I try to post like every Saturday and it was Tuesday, so I'm a little bit behind, but that's okay because we were having so much fun that like I just don't even want to do that, you know? But yeah, we are going on another boat.
More boat days.
More boat day. I figured I should probably film this little clip right now because it would be kind of crazy if we just filmed one boat day to the next boat day without saying a word. We're just on the same boat in a different bikini. So that is what we are doing today. This boat day is going to be shorter. Yesterday's was 4 hours. This one is going to be 3 hours, and we're doing it through the same company. So, and we actually have the same guide. So he told us that he was going to take us to some spots yesterday and then do completely different ones today, even though it's like technically the same tour. So that's pretty awesome. That like
turtle spot where we can swim with some turtles.
Which we know this guy loves turtles. I like them too, but like turtle enthusiast over here. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. Probably not going to do anything crazy for the rest of the day. Maybe just go around the town a little bit, but not sure yet. We will see what we get up to. But for now, boat day. please. Guys, we were driving along the road and I literally just started screaming because we saw rabbits. And if you don't know, we own 2 rabbits. They are the cutest things ever. I cannot believe these are here. They're so small. Oh my god. Let's take one home. Who are these little brown guys over here? You guys don't fit in. What are you doing? Oh, you're just sleepy. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, there's another brown one back there. We also got some little ducklings over here. Hi, little ones. And then there's some goats as well, or sheep, I don't know. Goats, right? Also, who are these? What are you guys doing out here? Just roaming around?
Donkey and goats.
Hello, sir.
How's it going?
Like, where are we right now? What did we just stumble upon? This girl's holding a baby goat over there. Look at these little guys. I'm in heaven. Hi, little guy. Oh my god. Alright guys, we just finished our boat tour. We had such a blast. We honestly are obsessed with that company and our boat driver. The company is called Calypso Boat Tours and Rentals, I believe, or Boat Rentals and Tours, one of the two. I'll put it on the screen, but they were just like the best. We did our tour with them both days, the same captain and everything, and they were just super awesome. We even added him and the whole company on Instagram and TikTok because we just like literally had the best time with them. They did the best tour ever, and this place is beautiful, and you can just tell how much they love this place and are amazed by this place. Like, they see this place every single day, and they were just still like, oh my god, the water is so blue, so beautiful. Like, you can just tell they love where they're from, and I love that so much. But yeah, now we came back over to Shipwreck Beach because Preston wanted to get some more drone footage, of course. But yeah, you can definitely tell it's about 2 p.m. almost exactly, and there are so many people here. This is what I was saying the other day when I was saying, like, you got to make sure you come like in the morning.
If you do literally anything that other people don't typically do, come here early, walk 100 feet, you're literally out of the crowd. If you
Literally.
just do anything different.
Because there's like no one over here. Guys, it is the next day. This morning we went ahead and slept in because we literally have not slept in this entire trip, and by sleeping in I mean like we woke up at 8:30, and then we actually got to enjoy the free breakfast that's included in our Airbnb, that was really good. And then we went and grabbed a coffee, and now we are just gonna do some exploring of different beaches in like the north side of Zakynthos. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and grab some lunch at this place called Tunisia as well. Good morning, guys. We are officially all packed up and ready to head to the airport. I'm honestly not sure how long this vlog is because I feel like we didn't do that much talking in this vlog. So you're either going to get just a little short travel vlog for Zakynthos, or you honestly might get a long one just filled with like boat day clips and drone footage of all the different sightseeing that we did. But either way, we hope you enjoyed this vlog, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!